Well, today I replaced the bottom frame, took out the previous frame, which was like this, and also cut 3/4 of an inch off the length, the height of the sides, and then created this new bottom frame, which is fastened from the bottom face. There are screws that hold this bottom onto the side, and of course it extends. This frame extends beyond the boundary of all the front, the back, and the ends. And I also created the molding shape on the surrounding edge of that frame. The screws, some of the screws in the back are, in the back are slotted, so it'll allow some movement of the sides cross grain in relationship to the frame itself, which will not move like the sides. I haven't actually glued the frame yet, so it's mortise and tenon joints at the front and also at the back. So I will remove that frame and glue it up and put it back on. It will not be glued to the carcass. I possibly might put a little bit of glue up front, in the front area, maybe 5 inches back. But there'll be no glue on the rear part of the frame to the carcass. So the next thing probably is to develop these corner pieces that fit into this rebate here. So it'll be a shape like this little full-size template of the shape, and it'll be glued in here and sit down on top of the frame and all the way up, and then it has that flat face canted corner that points out at 45 degrees. So that'll probably be the next part of the project to tackle.